In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for ATK headset. First things first, you want to make sure that you are using the 8000 Hz or the 8K Hz or 4K Hz on your headset. This will provide us with the best audio possible on Windows computer. From there, let's then head over to the sound control panel. So let's just search for sound setting, click sound control panel, and inside this page you then want to look for your headset. Right click on it, click on properties, and then for advanced you want to make sure to select the 24-bit by 4800 Hz studio quality. You want to make sure that the enable audio enhancement is turned on, and there's also another setting right here that I'm going to get back into. Just head over to the spatial sound in the meantime, and you want to make sure to enable the surround sound 7.1 if available. From there, let's get back to the advanced option, and we are going to talk about the loudness equalization. Now, this specific setting is crazy because in some other professional tournaments like the Call of Duty Pro League, it is completely banned. Now you will be able to find this option inside the enhancement tab. Unfortunately, in my case, my enhancements is currently disabled. So what this will do is that it will boost soft sounds like footsteps, and you will be able to hear it clearly because it will boost that kind of sounds, and it will reduce or soften loud sounds like gunshots, and it will enable you to hear low audio footsteps while a lot of things are happening onto your game. Another thing to get is the sound side, because this will completely point out the direction where the sound is coming from. So for this one, as you can see, this is where the enemy is walking, and then it will point to that specific direction. And so guys, those are the best settings for your ATK headset. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.